Yo, welcome to this tutorial. If you have followed my tutorial along, congrats brother. In this video I will show you how to make a simple solitaire ring with wired prongs. Hey guys, begin by making a circle of the size you want. For me it's going to be 18mm. Upload your gemstone. I'm going to resize the gemstones to 6.5mm to create a 1 carat diamond. Move it up to somewhere like here. Let's create a prong. Take your line, snap it somewhere around here, and end it somewhere around here. Select the new curve and go to your tools command and select the round cap pipe. For the diameter, I'm going to make a prongs of 1mm. Press enter once again. Select your prongs and adjust the rotation a little bit. And make sure that your diamonds don't go too deep into your prongs. It should go about 30% to 40% maximum. Some general information about the prongs height. If you want to send it to production, the minimum distance between the top of the diamonds and the top of your prong should be at least 0.6mm. But if you want to render it, you can just simply put it down somewhere around here. Now, once you're satisfied with your prong, we are going to array polar. Make 4, 360 degrees, press enter. Like I said in my previous video, you should have your record history on, so we can go ahead and edit our prongs. Now I'm going to select all of these objects and lock it. Now we can go ahead and create a support for our prongs and diamonds. To build a support you can do in different methods, for example using a cylinder, but for this example I'm going to use my polyline and draw it. So I draw a shape like that. I'm going to move just a little bit down. So once we have finished our curve, we can select it and use the revolve command on our command line. Start of the revolve axis. Press 0 on your keyboard. Hold shift to constrain the line and place anywhere on the top of the diamond. Start of the angle, press 0. Revolution angle 360 degree. Now we can go ahead and adjust our prongs to make it inward a little bit. Let's unlock all of our objects. Go ahead and select all of our objects and type cage edit on your command line. Select the bounding box option. Press enter, enter, enter once again. Select all of the bottom control points. Hold shift on your keyboard and make it a little bit inward, just like that. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, press escape on your command line and delete the bounding box. Now we can go ahead and make a duplicate of the top support. Move it down somewhere around here. Now you can resize it. You can use the distance command to check how thick the bottom support is. And it should not go below 0.8. Once it is done, I'm going to hide all of the top objects. Select the bottom one and make another cage edit. I'm going to select the side control points of my support and adjust it to align with the shapes of our ring. Alright, once you're satisfied, just press escape and go ahead and delete the bounding box. And let's show. And let's see how it looks. Now we can go ahead and create our band ring. Let's offset our circle. For the distance, I'm going to make a band ring of the size of 1.95. Okay, I'm going to lock all of the top objects. I'm going to take a polyline and split the circle in two. Go ahead and delete the other part because we don't need it. Now I'm going to take my control point curve and freestyle drawing a little bit to create a split shank shape. So I'm going to connect the first point something around here because we want our shanks to connect with our prongs. So click something around here in the middle, make another point over here, and simply connect it to your ring, just like that. Maybe you can adjust it. You play around a little bit. Alright, once you're satisfied with it, we're going to take our polyline once again, make a shape like that. Create something like this and go ahead and simply adjust it. So once you are satisfied, just go ahead and join these two curves together. And what are we going to do is to trim the ones we don't need. Just like that. Let's join all of our curves together. So we're going to select both, and it should be like one open curves. However, like if you check the properties tab, it said two open curves. It means that our lines are not joined together, and this is where like it messed up a little bit. Let's try to adjust with our trim function. Select this curve, press enter, and we're going to delete the part we don't need. Now select both and join them together. So it said open curve. Now we can go ahead and mirror it to the other side and then join them together. Now it is a closed curve, so now we can go ahead and extrude this curve. Type extrude on your command. For the size, I'm going to make a 1 millimeter, just like that. Now we can go ahead and adjust the shape a little bit, make it thinner a little bit on the top. So to do that, we are simply going to use a decage edit command. Make a bounding box once again, press enter, 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 and select all of the top control point and simply adjust till like this. It's fine. Now let's unlock all of our objects, and we can go ahead and trim off the parts like that is overlapping. So I'm going to make a circle, press 0 and 18 millimeter, and simply I'm going to extrude this curve. Now let's select all of our prongs and all of the bottom support. Make a boolean difference. Alright guys, so you have successfully made a solitaire ring, and you can go ahead and play around a little bit and apply some fillet edge to make it smoother.